Hi all, Balkan Shipyards, winter's back, we're closing up. This is our boat, Pacific Proa, crystal clear, painted, now just hatches, and she's ready, a couple masts, blah blah blah. But what I really want to talk about today is this Lambo. There's his logo. That's my man. He kept me alive last winter. He's gonna do it again now soon. I'm already lighting him up. I flow down there whatever I got. So basically, this is the simplest way I could figure it out. These are two paint buckets, a big one and a small one. And then I welded on with a CO2. My buddy did. That's a chimney elbow. We welded it onto the big barrel. And then there's a pipe that you can see inside the small chamber. It goes light through, and that's welded on over here and onto the small guy. And then the small guy is just supported in there with a few things over here. And this made by my buddy that makes gutters and stuff. So this is a fancy elbow he made up for me, and it's very good for cleaning the stove actually, because I accumulate down here a lot of stuff, charcoal and stuff, and everything stays in it, and it starts blocking him, and he doesn't start working properly and stuff like that. So it's nice to empty out this guy every day before I light him. And then fire's burning in there, goes through into the little one, circulars, comes up, goes back down to the big one. This is where you're burning your smoke actually, and goes out the elbow that's welded onto the big bucket. That's our guy. Now I'm gonna light him, but it'll be in the next film. Ciao.